Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome to Virtual Learning. Today we are going to start with the lesson number 8, additional logo command. Let us see so let's start the chapter. Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. The full form of logo is language of graphics oriented. It is the easiest and the simplest computer language. You can draw, do sums, write and do any kind of work with it. There are different types of computer languages such as Logo, Basic, Pascal, Global, etc. Since the computer does not understand our language, to work on a computer, we must learn a computer language. A language is a way of talking, writing, or reading. Similarly, we can talk to our computer in the logo language. So, our computer doesn't understand our language. So, it has a space with the help of logo we can communicate with our computer. That is, the computer language is a language which a computer can understand. Do you remember how to get in logo? First you have to click on the start button, then after that all programs, and then MSW logo. When we work with logo on computer, a triangle is seen in the center of the screen. This triangle is known as turtle. The triangular structure is called as turtle. Let's meet our friend the turtle. The center of the screen is turtle home. Turtle moves all over the screen following our orders. Whenever the turtle moves on the screen, it leaves a trail. Okay, as the turtle moves on the screen, it will leaves a trail. What is turtle? A triangular structure in MSW logo is called as turtle. It is our friend and it is in the center of the screen. It is called as turtle's home. It moves all around the screen. Let us see more on logo commands. We have learned few primitives in previous class. Let's learn some more commands. Set command is used to set the turtle's head in any direction without using RT or LT commands. The set command is followed by number which determines the degrees of the turtle head will move. What you have to do? You have to type SETH and then space and the number which you want to move the turtle head. We can use any number from the setting for setting the head of the turtle from any starting position. Set 90 turns the turtle right, set 180 turns it down, and set 270 turns it left, all from the home position. You can see on this wheel for it. You can refer it. Pen and color commands. We can move the turtle even without drawing anything. We can also change the color and size of the turtle's pen. All this can be done using pen commands in logo. Pen up command, that is PU command, is used to lift the pen of the turtle up from the screen. As a result, what will happen? The turtle does not draw anything. When you give pen up command, the pen of the turtle will move up from the screen and the turtle will not draw anything. Just you have to give PU command and then follow the commands that like FD40 or RT90 and then PU FD40. Then you can see what will happen. After 90-degree right, PU command has given and then the turtle will move for 40 commands forward, but the line will not be drawn. Next is pen down, that is PD puts the pen of the turtle down on the screen. The turtle can then start drawing again when given command. PD, you have to give PD command. Okay. Pen erase command makes the turtle work like an eraser. The turtle start erasing instead of drawing as it moves. Next is pen paint. PPT command is used to it is used after the PU and PE command so that the turtle start drawing again. Next is step pen size command sets the pen size of the turtle. The size is specified in terms of height and weight. Format is step pen size space then square bracket number 1 then space then number 2. Height and width. Number 1 is height and number 2 is width. With the step pen size set pen size, what will happen? It does not have significant effect on the turtle pen. Only the thickness of that pen is changed. Next is pen normal command sets the turtle pen back to its normal mode after using any command such as PU, PE or set pen size. We can use pen normal command to make it behave normally again. Set pen color, that is set PC command changes the color of the pen. Colors are represented by numbers, that is 0 for black, 2 for light green, 4 for red, 6 for yellow, 8 for brown, 10 for green, 12 for peach, 14 for orange, 1 for blue, then 3 for light blue, 5 for mauve, then 7 for white, 9 for light brown, 11 can, 13 violet, 15 grey. Okay, these are the numbers for color codes in logo. Set screen color command sets the background of the background color of the graphic screen. It fill the command. If you give set screen color 4, then it will change the background color to red. Fill command fills a closed figure with the color of the brush. The color of the brush is set using set flood color command. Print command. Print command writes any text or number on the logo recall list box. It takes only one input at a time. The input can be number or text. This command will print the number print 50. This command will print the number 50 in the commander window. If you want to print text, then put the following commands. Let us see. Print, then in the double colon text, or print square brackets, then text and square bracket close. Print command can be written in short form as PR. So print 50 can be written as PR 50. If the text is more than one word, then square brackets are compulsory. Means if single word is there, then you can give double colon, but if it is 2 or 3 words, then you have to compulsory give square brackets. Arithmetic with logo. Arithmetic operators can also be performed in logo. The symbols used in arithmetic operators are addition operation. For addition, you can use sum or its operator plus symbol. For example, add 40 and 50. For subtraction, this operation, subtraction operation is used to find the difference of the number. Subtract 40 from 50, then what you have to do? You have to write PR, the number, that is 40 or 50, minus PR 50 minus 40, and the difference will be shown. Product operation. This command will give the product of two numbers. It will multiply with 10. PR, then number, then star, and then again number. That all means PR 5 and star then 10. It will then, when you press enter key, it will execute the answer. Product. Quotient operations. This command divides the first number with the second number, and quotient operation. This command divides the first number with the second number and returns the result as quotient. It will take two numbers as input. Divide 30 by 60. Then you have to write PR number 30. Then hash slash then 6. Repeat command. Repeat command is used as a shortcut in place of writing out the repeated command. It saves a lot of time and effort. Instead of writing the same command again and again, we can just write it once and specify the number of times it has to be repeated. Here the chapter is over. Thank you.